Michael, and welcome back. QT Quality Training. Today's lesson we're going to go over the ending pronunciation sounds. We're going to start with the CH sound. It's the same way as you sounded with the beginning. It's a ch sound. Ch. The SH also is the same way. It's a sh sound. Now the TH is different because in the beginning, as you recall, what we did was have the tongue out to begin with. So we stuck our tongue out, and then we bit down on it, and we brought it in, like the number 3. 3. But, as you see here, at the ending, it's different. This time, the tongue is actually going to go out. It's going to go. The NG sound is an ing sound. The DGE is a j sound. And the CK is a k sound. So let's go in detail. We're going to go over some words and practice some. How's that? You all did a great job. Let's go and continue. CH. Repeat after me. Ch. Very good. Let's go with a word. Couch. Couch. Ostrich. Ostrich. See the CH? Ch. Sandwich. Sandwich. Good. Peach. Peach. Each, and teach. Good job. Now the SH, same way as before at the beginning. It's a shh, almost like you tell somebody to be quiet. It's a hush. Shh. Fish. Fish. Brush. Brush. Wash. Wash. Cash. Cash. Good job. Bush. Bush. Rush. Rush. All right. Now we're going to take some time with the TH, but you're going to get it. I know you will. Just takes a little bit of practice, okay? Okay, stick out your tongue one more time. There you go. Good job. Let's look at the word. Bath. One more time. Bath. Good. Two. Make sure you stick out your tongue now. Good. Boof. Boo. With. Ma. Burr. Good job. I'm proud of you. Now the ing, the NG sound, ing. King. King. Ring. Ring. Sung. Sung. You almost have to go like a ung. But try to cut off the g sound. So let's try it with rang. 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 There you go. Wing. Wing. Bang. Bang. Good job. The DGE, remember it's a J sound. A J. Badge. Badge. Okay. Bridge. Bridge. Judge. Judge. Good. Edge. Edge. Hedge. Hedge. And wedge. Wedge. Very good. The last one is a K sound. Just like the letter K, the K. K. Clock. Clock. Duck. Duck. Tack. Tack. Good. Suck. Suck. Lock. Lock. And peacock. Peacock. Very good. Good job. Let's go and review one more time. CH. 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 Couch. Couch. Sh. Sh. Fish. Fish. Bath. Bath. Ing. Ing. King. King. J. J. Badge. Badge. K. K. Clock. Clock. Good job today. And that concludes our lessons on ending sounds with their letters. Have a good day. Hi, welcome back. This is Michael. Glad to see you again. Today's lesson we're going to talk about personal pronouns. In other words, people. Let's go over some. I. Talk about yourself. I. You. Yeah, be careful of the pronunciation. It's a you sound, not j. No, we don't want to do that. A lot of times what we do for the you is we take a pencil and you put it in your mouth, put it all the way back, and it kind of forces the tongue back. You. Good, you hear the difference? You. You don't want to say Jew. It's you. As in you. He. She. She. It. We. We. They. Remember, stick out your tongue and stick it out, bite down, and bring it in. They. Let's try it again. They. Good job. Let's review one more time. I. You. He. She. It. We. They. Now I'm going to repeat it, and you're going to repeat after me. Make sure you got it, okay? I know you can do it. Here we go. I. Let me hear you. Good. I. You. Good. You. He. What was that? Good. He. She. Good job. She. It. All right, you got it. It. We. There you go. We. They. Good. Let's try it one more time. They. There you go. They. Excellent job. And that concludes our lesson on personal pronouns, people. When I'm doing the you, a lot of times what I'll do, I'll take a pencil, like this, and I'll force the tongue to go all the way back. Because you don't want to say Jew. The proper pronunciation is you. You. So take a pencil, put it in your mouth, and put it all the way back. Force the tongue all the way back. Don't put it right here. Put it all the way back. Like this. Good. Now let's say the word you. 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 Good. Now you try it. Take the pencil, put it right here, put it all the way back. There you go. That's okay. Good. Now you. You. Do you hear the difference? We're not saying Jew, but we're saying yeah. You. Take the pencil out and say you. Good job. I knew you could do it.